Scan the QR code to enter the world of Merino Lamb Masterpieces Collection 2022. The Merino Lamb mobile site has 4 important sections. The first section is how to use this mobile site. The second section is view full sheets to visualize and make the right choice for your interiors. The third section is application scene. Get inspired, visualize and play with combinations. The fourth section is contact us for any queries. Watch the demo here on how to use this mobile site. Click here to view full sheet. A very user-friendly mobile site that lets you visualize and make your selection. Search by design number or name. View full sheet and you can download high-resolution laminate image on your phone. View details helps you see the technical specifications of the design. Explore more. Includes our innovative visualizer tool that enables your imagination to visualize your selected laminate in an interior setting. There are multiple markers on this image. Click on Desired Marker to change the laminates and start visualizing your own combinations. Also includes the section of Similar Design. Add your favorite designs to a wish list for future reference or sharing with family and friends. On clicking View All Laminates, dive into the complete range of Merino Lamb Masterpieces Collection 2022. Click here to know more about Merino laminates. Introducing the Visualizer tool to enable your imagination. Play with combinations, visualize, and find the perfect match for your interiors. You can choose residential spaces and commercial applications seen here, further bifurcated into spaces and furniture. There are multiple markers on this image. Click on Desired Marker to change the laminates and start visualizing your own combinations. Click on Quick Query to reach us if you have any questions. Please fill the form and send us your query. Merino Masterpieces mobile site. Imagination and visualization gets simplified.